Good afternoon. Are you here about the apartment? We'll start with the kitchen and dining room. I'll call the office and see if there are any in storage. Yes, there is. Would you like to see anything else? Do you need anything else? The kitchen has a refrigerator, stove, dishwasher, garbage disposal, and a trash compactor. I'm sorry, that's not included in the apartment. The kitchen and dining room are here. Yes, there is. It's right here, next to the sink. There's also a garbage disposal and a trash compactor. Here are the bedrooms. They are connected by the bathroom. There's also a half bath off the living room. Which bedroom will you use? The bedrooms are connected by the bathroom, and there's also a half bath off the living room. You're in luck. There's a supermarket down the street. It's about a 10-minute walk. Let's talk about your lease. I'm sorry, I don't understand. Excuse me? I beg your pardon?